Hey, welcome back to my channel. JRready 699Pcs DT Deutsch Connector Kit. Includes 699Pcs DT Series 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 pin electrical connector components. JRready DT connectors are made of PA66 nylon material, durable and waterproof, convenient to connect and disconnect, suitable for long-time use. Solid terminals have strong stability and conductivity, easy to crimping with wire and installing into connector. DT Series general-purpose connectors will provide reliability and performance on the engine or transmission, under the hood, on the chassis, or in the cab. It is widely applied in truck, bus, off-highway, construction, agriculture, mining, emergency vehicles, forestry, recreational marine, motorcycle, etc. Product guarantee: 100% customer satisfaction is the pursuit of JRready. Any product defects and customer dissatisfaction, JRready promise to return a full refund of purchase price. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.